Hello and welcome back to LibreCAD tutorial. Today I want to draw a very simple object. It is a star. I think it is a star, maybe a ninja star or a compass direction star. Okay, let me start to draw. Please activate some snap functions in your desktop. There are three snap: snap one endpoint, snap center, snap middle, and snap intersection. All the snap functions will help us to draw object in LibreCAD. Okay, there is only a single data about this drawing. It is a diameter of the circle is 100. Okay, let me start. Select circle center point, left click at anywhere you want, start to draw, and then go to command line form, type the radius. Okay, the radius is the half of diameter, so the radius will be 100 divided by 2 is 50, and press enter. Okay, we got the circle. Right click to escape. Now to help us to draw the star, we'll use a pentagon, I think. Okay, to draw a pentagon, we will use polygon sensor. Okay, and then select type the number for the star is a five is pentagon. Okay, draw a pentagon. So the number of the line is 5. Okay, 5, and then okay, left click at the arc of the circle at the top position like this. Oh, sorry. Right click to escape. I made a mistake. I think left click at the center of our circle. Okay, and then the end of the pentagon or the polygon is the upside of the circle like this. Okay, right click to escape. Okay, next time to draw the star. I will draw it manually, use 2 points line. Okay, left click again, and then left click. Okay, left click again, left click again, left click. Okay, I have a star. Right click to escape, right click again. Now select all unnecessary lines. Okay, and press delete on the keyboard. Okay, next still 2 points line, draw line. Okay, it will be a diagonal line like this. Okay, right click to escape, draw again, diagonal line. Okay, right click to escape, draw again, right click to escape. Okay, next. Okay, right click, left click. Okay, right click. Okay, next I think this point. Okay. Yeah, okay, we are almost done. Right click to escape. Okay, now time to use our roughly tool, divide. Select divide tool, left click at the line, left click at the point, left click at the line, left click at the point. Next, left click at the line and the point, 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 left click at the line and left click at the point. Okay, right click to escape. Now time to select all unnecessary lines. Oh, sorry. Yeah, and press delete on the keyboard. Okay, yeah, I have finished more job for I want to the circle is have an angel. Okay, select all the drawing, select rotate tool, left click at the reference point, left click at target point. Okay, bring the star into what you want, left click and click OK. Oh, oh, I'm sorry. Select again, rotate, left click at the reference point or rotation center, left click at the any point, left click again. Okay, select keep original. No, select delete original, sorry, delete original and click OK. And then I want to give some dimension, not some, or single dimension. Okay, select oh, it is a problem. Okay, we need to draw the line before. Select 2 points and draw line like this. Okay, right click to escape, right click again, select lengthen tool, type the length 100 and middle points 1, left click at the line like this. Okay, right click to escape. Okay, next I want to draw the dimension. Use diametric, left click at the intersect. Oh, it is a big problem. Right click to escape. We should repeat to draw the line. Maybe there, select 2 points, left click. Okay, left click, yeah, and then select lengthen tool, lengthen, left click, yeah, right click to escape. Now select dimension, align dimension, left click at the point, left click at the intersect. Okay, wow, it is a big problem. Yeah, okay, select align, then left click again. Okay, oh, it is a big problem. Right click to escape, select options, current drawing preferences, and then select dimension. Okay, I want to change the text height, maybe 5 is okay. Line gap 3, offset 3, line draw 3. Okay, maybe arrow size 3, linear precision to 0 behind the point, and then angular precision 0 behind the point, and click OK. Yeah. Okay, I want to delete this line. Okay, I think I have finished my job for today. Oh, I missed this line. Try to escape. Okay, I have finished my job for today. Thank you very much for watching my video. Okay, please subscribe to my channel LibreCAD tutorial. I will be very happy if you subscribe to our channel. Okay, thank you very much. See you in next video. Bye.